Sara from AWE, and today we have the AWE SwitchPath Axleback and Performance Mid-Pipe for the F9X, X3M, and X4M. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you, but before we get into that, I want to give you a quick rundown of the system so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get a little more in-depth, stick with me and I'll show you what it's all about. The AWE system picks up after the OE emissions equipment where you have a choice to make. You can either stick with the factory resonator or you can add in the AWE Performance Mid-Pipe. This sits in the exact same location and allows you to get some more sound out of your system, but because it has the AWE X, keeps those tones nice and smooth, cutting down on rasp. Now you can use this mid-pipe with other Axleback systems as long as they respect the factory cut point. Speaking of that factory cut point, that's where the AWE SwitchPath Axleback begins. And just like the mid-pipe, if you'd like to use a different mid-pipe with AWE's Axleback, you can do so as long as it respects that factory cut point. From there, the US-sourced 3-inch T304L stainless continues all the way back, and as you can see, there's plenty of clearance along the bracing as well as the diff. Next up is the SwitchPath section of the exhaust. This houses the valves and utilizes your OE valve motors to retain full factory valve functionality. It also houses the 180 Technology resonator. 180 Technology is AWE's patented solution that eliminates drone, the annoying low-frequency noise typically experienced at highway speeds. It pinpoints and silences drone-prone frequencies without interrupting flow while delivering the power of a straight pipe exhaust. And that brings us to the tips. This system features quad 4.5-inch double-walled and slash-cut tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. And without further ado, here's how it sounds. like what you heard, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.